Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Tumbling Octagon. This thing is so cool. It's got a nice durable outer shell on here, so that way it can withstand a lot of abuse, which being what it is, it's gonna get some. It's got a nice little handle right here, so you can easily pick it up. Has multiple colors on here. I mean, this thing came tiny. So whenever I put it together, it does have a zipper right here. Before it inflated, I shoved this thing on here, and that way it put the mat on here. Now this can be used several different ways. This is a medium size, it's the 24 by 26, but say your kids are practicing, say, a back bend. They can easily get on here, and then as a parent, you don't have to worry about them falling over or anything like that, because you can sit there and help them the whole way doing any sort of gymnastics, martial arts, or anything. Or if you want to have a kid practice just balance and things, you can just have them do simple little things, just like balancing on here and working on stability muscles, core. I mean, this thing has so much to it that it is great whether you're playing in a playroom at home or in a gym. This is a nice tool to have. Sit on it, relax, nice and spongy. This is great for any playroom or gym.